Hello everyone. This is video taken June 30th, the same night as my other video, and this is strictly lightning. In the beginning, though, my husband's using the camera, and he's baffled at the object that's in the screen. So he turns he turns the camera around, he wipes it clean. He goes back to recording. He still sees it, wipes, he takes a look at it again. And the object is still there. And it happened with me as well when I was using my cell phone, except I had caught two of them together. And I said that sometimes they will move in the sky. It's almost like they do synchronized swimming. And that's what I call them, twin souls. They stay together and they stay in the same movement, which is pretty wild. I'm not going to include that video, just a screenshot, try to save down on running time. But I said this a couple times already, that they prefer to stay in a very tiny size, what I call fairy size. And for the most part, they observe us without us noticing that they're even there, unless they want to be seen, such as the case of what happened this night. This one, or the other two that I had seen, wanted to be seen. They wanted to be captured on film. So if we would have realized it then when we were standing there, we would have tried to zoom in. It wasn't until after the fact you're like, oh, and it dawns on you later on that it was pretty wild. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the quick lightning, and no matter where you are, whether you're having a drought and it's really hot or if you're having flooding, just know that angels are still out there. They're still watching us. And as I said before, we are in some very, very trying times, but we're not alone. We're definitely not alone.